Kazwe Patrick welcomes you once again on his YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an invisible folder on your desktop. So to use an invisible folder, a folder that does not appear when you are the one who knows where it is, so it becomes invisible such that other people do not see it. So follow my steps. Here we go. First of all, you need to make sure that you are changing your desktop background from Windows default background. When I talk about Windows default background, I mean the background of Windows 10 maybe, or Windows 7 or Windows 8, the other default background that comes pre-installed with Windows. So you put your own background just like this image or any other image. So my background is animated. Images change. Now, let me show you how to create an invisible folder. So first of all, we are going to right click in space. We point at new and then we click on folder. We don't put any name in the folder, but if you don't put any name and you try to remove everything, it will automatically put itself new folder. So how do we remove the name and make the folder invisible? So after right clicking space, point at new, click on folder, immediately right click in the name and point at insert Unicode control character. Here, insert Unicode control character, you hover on that option, then you cross and come this side and choose Nigerian Dictionary Shape Substitution, NADS. So after choosing NADS, the folder will automatically become empty. You click in space, you don't name it. So now if you can see, our folder is empty but still visible. So how do we hide it? We are going to right click on it and then click on properties. We come on customize tab, then we come change icon. So under here we are going to look for icon that is invisible. So I guess this is invisible. I bet it is visible. This one is invisible. This one is invisible. I don't know whether there are more other invisible icons. Let's try. Yeah, I think here there is arrow, that is white, but since these are invisible icons we have spotted here, so I will use any of these options. Let me use the first one and I use OK. I apply and then OK. Now my folder is invisible. Where is it? You cannot. So if I want to see it, I just know where it is, or I can highlight in that space just to see it. It's here. Now I can move it here. I can put it here in the right corner just such that no one can see it. But if I know where it is, I can come and double click on it just to open it and put my information or what I want inside it. But all in all, it is invisible. No one can see it. So thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. My name is Kazwe Patrick. See you later. Thank you so much.